Hey, it's Eric Roberts from Apex Piano. As a piano technician, we're mobile all the time. We're going around places, we're going in people's houses, and it took me a couple years to realize I'm gonna have to be pulling these actions out. Where am I gonna put them? And I found the best, the least expensive, and the best action table. You can build it today from your local hardware store and Harbor Freight and Tools, or one of those, really everything you need at Lowe's for 50 to 100 bucks, way under 100 bucks. It is the best table, and at the end I'm going to explain some of the nuances of why it's the best action table. Check this out. All right guys, here's the table that I've been using for grand actions, and actually all it really is a 30-inch inside door that I've cut off, okay? Great things about this action table, you can take it anywhere you want. It's super lightweight, and basically it's two sawhorses. Cheap ones too. These are cheap Harbor Freight sawhorses. I think they cost about 12 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that on sale. So you just set them up in the house, put the tabletop on, and then you have an extremely flat surface to regulate any grand piano action. The action actually sits, you've got a little bit of room on each side of this. Now I had Lowe's cut my hollow door, and I wrapped it with some duct tape. Now they didn't want to cut it, and they said they weren't going to cut it, and I said, hey, I'm not going to use this as a door, and I was able to talk the nice gentleman into cutting my door for me. But you can do it with the saw yourself. Homemade action table. That's exactly how you do it. Now the dimensions of this are a 30-inch door. This is a 30-inch door, and I've cut it to 55 inches long. I'll put some links in the description for you. All right, there you have it. That is a 30-inch door that I got from Lowe's for about 30 or 40 bucks, and a $10 or $20 set of very cheap sawhorses that I got from Harbor Freight. I will put all the links in the description. If you want to know more about regulating a piano, go to apexpiano.com. I can help you learn all that stuff. But basically, there are a few things this door action, this little cheap action table does. You can put it in your van, you can put it in your car, you can walk in the house very easily, you can set it up in a living room, you can set it up on a driveway. It'll hold a full-size concert grand action. It'll hold anything you really want to do. It's just a great tool bench. But the key to action regulation on the bench is having a flat surface. So if you use anything else, the action just acts funny when you put it on there. So if you use this action table that I'm showing you, you have a really lightweight, super flat surface that you can regulate on. It's 30 inches deep, so you can even set up your extra things behind, like your frames or your action regulation tools. You can set them up behind it. You can set up your little action regulation jig behind it. You can go sit in front of it, sit in back of it. It's just the best overall table. And my mentor Tim showed me this. He had an old ratty door he was carrying around, and he was always doing this stuff, and I'm like, what is this? And he just kind of showed me this is the best way to do it, and it's true. I've tried other things. I've tried MDF. It's super heavy. It's really, really flat, but it's just really heavy, and it doesn't do any better than this basic inside hollow core door that you can get from Lowe's. Check the links in the description. Make your comments below. If they're nice, only be nice. And go over to apexpiano.com if you want to learn more about actually tuning, regulating, and building your business. God bless you guys.